Warming up for my BCA 10 ball league match, decided to play the snooker and get a better opportunity, and I get ball in hand. So just trying to avoid the 4 there, made it a little bit tricky, but I can just come round 2 rails. Finished a little close to the 3, a bit fortunate. I can just dab that in, draw the 4 in, the 5's over the corner, and just trying to come up towards the 7. Slightly hampered queuing, so I'm going to leave myself a long 7 ball, and it's a bit of a cut back into the blind pocket, and that's a little fortunate going in off the 9. So a bit of deep draw and left spin, try and beat that middle pocket. And brand new cloths here, you get a lot of action with the cue ball, just slightly overdrew it, but this 10 for the table run. There's more to see on Mothlight TV.